What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix server lag, a high ping and packet loss while playing Valheim on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Before making any changes on your system, you should make sure that the server you are playing on is working fine. In most cases, you will experience server lag because your connection to the server is unreliable. First, make sure to account for any VPN service which could be running on your system, or turn off your VPN while in game. In case the server you are playing on seems unaffected, then the issue might be related to your own network connection, to software running on your system, or to the game files. Make sure to close the game and open up your Steam library. Here, right-click Valheim and select Properties. In the General tab, at the bottom will be the Launch Options dialog box. Enter +connect IP followed by your server's IP address. You may also need to have the port be 2457. Some people have reported that having the Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for Valheim option enabled was needed for this method to work. When this is done, make sure that your game files are complete and up to date. In the Local Files tab, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will take a minute to re-download and replace any missing or corrupted game files. You should also test your own connection. I prefer to use speedtest.net. Make sure that you have a stable up and download speed, and that your ping is not exceeding 100 milliseconds. In case it's higher than 100 milliseconds, then you'll have to make a few changes to your network connection. Use an Ethernet cable if you can. Restart your router or modem if you haven't done this in a while, and reduce the amount of devices connected to the same network. You can then close this window and open up your task manager by right-clicking your taskbar and selecting it. Here, navigate to your resource monitor as you can see in the video. In the Network tab, open up the processes with network activity, and after a few seconds you will see every process using your network connection. This might be your browser running in the background, Steam, or a download bottlenecking your connection. I suggest you to only add the processes which you know won't break your operating system. Next, open up your command prompt by searching for cmd and hitting enter. Use the command ping google.com. You can also ping the Valheim server IP to see how high your latency would be when playing on the server, and if you experience any packet loss. In case your ping is higher than 100 milliseconds, or if you encounter any packet loss, then you should make a few changes to your connection and follow the next tweaks. Next, use the command ipconfig/flushdns. This will flush and reset the content of your DNS resolver cache. Using this command will in any case improve your latency issues. When this is done, we will change your DNS server address in case the issue is still caused by your network connection. Use the shortcut Windows key and R, and in this dialog box, enter Control and hit enter. This will open up your control center. From here, navigate to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and here select your connection. This will open up this window, containing some general information about your connection. Navigate to Properties, and lastly, double-click the Internet Protocol version 4. Select to use the following DNS server addresses option, and as your preferred DNS server, use 8888, and as your alternate DNS server, use 8844. This will for a lot of users fix the issue when joining a server, as these are the official public DNS server addresses from Google, which are safe to use. Lastly, in case you still get server-related issues, then you most likely have software running on your system which is hindering you from playing the game. To fix this, I suggest ending processes from running in your task manager of recently installed programs which can change your files or use up your available resources, such as OBS, Shadowplay, CCleaner, or Adobe Applications to troubleshoot which program is causing the issue. In case you still have latency and lag issues, then you should verify your connection to your ISP and make sure that you're using a decent data plan. You can troubleshoot this step by switching your connection to your personal hotspot, for example. If you have issues loading maps or downloading other content, then you should delete your temporary files. Search for %temp% and hit enter. All of these files are saved by your programs and should be deleted once in a while. Make sure to delete everything in this folder. Some files might remain, so just leave them there. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.